Hello, I'm Will Russell and welcome to WR Guitar. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to play a verse. First, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using 8 strums for each of these chords. Once you've got this chord progression nice and simply laid out with those 8 strums, I'll be showing you the full strumming pattern which you can put in the 8 strum place to make it sound properly like the song. So, starting with a C chord then, we're going to be using our first finger and we're going to be putting it into the 1st fret of the B, which is the 5th from the top. Our second finger is going to go into the 2nd fret of the D, which is 3rd string from the top, and our 3rd finger is going to be going 3rd fret A, which is 2nd from the top. We're going to be going for 8 strums, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're then going to travel to an A minor chord. Now if you've got the C on already, all you need to do is tuck your 3rd finger in underneath your 2nd into the 2nd fret of the G string. But if you've taken it off, 1st finger, 1st fret B, which is 5th from the top, 2nd finger, 2nd fret D, which is 3rd from the top, tucking our 3rd finger in very tightly, 2nd fret G, 4th from the top. And we're going to do 8 strums on this as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're then going to travel to an F chord, which is going to use the 1st finger in both the 1st frets of the B and the E string. So what we're going to try and do here is bar those strings with the edge of our finger. So that's the bottom 2 strings, 1st fret. We're then going to use our 2nd finger in the 2nd fret of the G, which is the 4th from the top. And we're going to put our 3rd finger into the 3rd fret of the D, which is 3rd from the top. Again, aiming for 8 strums. We're then going to travel back to the C chord. And on this occasion, we're actually only going to do 4 strums. 1, 2, 4. And to finish off the verse then, we're going to go to the G chord, which is 1st finger, 2nd fret on A, 2nd from the top, 2nd finger, 3rd fret low E string, that's the top string, and 3rd finger in the 3rd fret of the high E string at the bottom. And we're also going to do 4 strums. So this chord sequence you actually repeat twice for the verse, but for just an example now I'm going to go through it once with 8 and 4 strums on most of these chords. So 1, 2, C chord, to A minor, to an F, 4 on C now, and then on G. Okay, moving on to the pre-chorus then, we're going to start with the A minor chord that we used in the verse. So, 1st fret B, 1st finger, 2nd fret D, 2nd finger, 2nd fret G, 3rd finger. We're going to be doing 8 strums on this. We're then going to move back to the C chord. Into the F chord, 4 strums on C, and 4 strums on G. Now you repeat this section twice again, so A minor, 8 strums, C for 8 strums, 8 strums, 4 on C, and 4 on G. So looking into the chorus then, this is the final part of the song that you need to learn to put the whole thing together. We're going to be using an F to start with, and on this occasion we'll be doing 4 strums on F, We'll then be doing 4 strums on G and 8 strums on C. We'll then roll to an A minor chord for 8 strums. And then we're going to add a new chord in, which is the E major chord. Now, this is a really simple chord. All you need to do from A minor is move each of our fingers up a string each. So the first finger will go to 1st fret on the G. The 3rd finger will roll to the 2nd fret on the D. And our 2nd finger will jump onto the 2nd fret of the A. So we're going to do this for 8 strums as well, using all the strings here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here's that whole section again. 4 on F, 4 on G, 8 on C, 8 on A minor, 8 on E. Then we repeat the whole thing. 4 on F, 4 on G, 8 on C, 8 on A minor, 8 on E. Okay, so for the final bit of the chorus then, we're going to grab our F chord and we're going to hold it for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're then going to move to an F minor chord, which is another new chord, barring the G, the B and the E with the edge of our finger. 1st frets, G, B and E. We're then going to put our 3rd finger into the 3rd fret of the D string, keeping it nice and arched so that you don't interfere with what's going on with our 1st finger. We're also going to hold it for 4 strums. 1, 2, 3, 4. So finally, I'll play the chorus section. Here we go. That would ordinarily go twice round, but for now I'm going to jump to the F and hold for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. F minor, 2, 3, 4. And there we have it. Okay, so for the final piece of the jigsaw then, we're going to use this strumming pattern. Now, for each 4 groups of notes, so for each 4 strums that you do, you're going to replace it with a strumming pattern like this. So, grab any chord you like, favourite chord for now. We're going to start with 2 down strums followed by an up strum. So it's going to be down, down, up. So down, down, up. The next strum we're going to do is what I call a missed strum. So this is when we don't actually strum the strings themselves, but we still do the movement of a down strum. So you're going to go down, down, up, miss, down strum, and then you're going to do an up, down, up. And that is the strumming pattern. So down, down, up, miss, up, down, up. Now, to get this groove exact, you've got to imagine like you're on a galloping pony. So it's what we call a gallop rhythm. So it's down, down, up, miss, up, down, up, down, down, up, miss, up, down, up. And that will give you the full complete rhythm pattern. So there we have it. That was Party Favour by Billie Eilish on the acoustic guitar. I do hope you've enjoyed this tutorial today and it has been in some way helpful to you. If you have and you want to see more of my tutorials, then please subscribe to WR Guitar. And if you've got any questions or comments at all, whack them in the comment box or find me on WR Guitarist. Until next time, I've been Will Russell. Good day.